Everyone, I'm Pranshi Verma from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In this lecture, we will explore the basic of the list interface and its key methods and deep dive into the array list class with practical coding example. Now, without wasting a moment, let's get started. Let's start with list interface. The list interface in Java is a part of the Java collection framework. It represents an ordered collection and it's also known as a sequence. List can contain duplicate elements as you know and it's allowed positional access and insertion of elements. As the name suggests, list interface. List interface has several implementations, each with its own characteristics. Here is the diagram showing all the implementation of list interface. It includes array list, linked list, stack, and vector. Let's discuss one by one. Array list. Array list is a resizable array implementation of the list interface. It's a part of Java collection framework and it provides dynamic arrays in Java. We have linked list. Linked list is a doubly linked list implementation of the list interface. It's a better suited for scenarios where frequent insertion and deletion of elements are required. Next, we have a stack. A stack is a subclass of vector and that implements a last in first out strategy of elements. It's synchronized and it's a part of legacy collection framework, not official Java collection framework. Next, we have vector. Vector is a synchronized resizable array that implements of the list interface. It's similar to array list, but it's synchronized in nature. So it's all about list interface and their implementation. Let's move forward. Here are some key methods of the list interface. Let's discuss one by one. First, we have add element method. As the name suggests, this method is used to add an element to the list. Next, we have remove method. Remove method is used to remove the specified element from the list. Next, we have get. Get method. Get method returns the element at the specified position in the list. Next, we have set method. As the name suggests, set. Set method is used to replace the elements at the specified position with the specified elements with the help of index value. Next, we have size method. Size method returns the number of element in the list and here size is start by initially 1. Next, we have isEmpty method. IsEmpty method is used to check if the list is empty or it contains some elements or not. Next, we have contains method. Contains. Contains method checks if the list contains the specified element or not. Let's move forward. Next, we have array list. Array list. As the name suggests, it's a combination of array as well as list. An array list in Java is a dynamic array that can grow or shrink in size dynamically. Means we can say that array list is a dynamic array. It's a part of the Java collection framework and it's present in the java.util.package. Here is the diagram of array list. Firstly, we have collection framework and here list is extended with the help of collection. Then we have array list. Array list class implements with the help of list interface. Now let's discuss some key points about array list. It includes dynamic sizing, ordered collection, allows duplicate, random access, and array list is not synchronized. So first we have dynamic sizing. Array list can dynamically resize itself when elements are added or removed. Means it's also called dynamic array. Next we have ordered collection. Array list maintains the order of elements as they are inserted in the list. This means that the elements in an array list will be in the same order as they were added. It's allowing for predictable iteration over the elements. We have allows duplicates. Array list can store duplicate elements. Means you can add the same element multiple times to an array list. It will keep all occurrence of that element. Next, we have random access. Provide constant time access to the element using an index. This means you can retrieve any element in the list by its position in the list almost instantaneously, and it's making it very efficient for accessing elements by index. Next, we have not synchronized. Array lists are not synchronized in nature. They are not thread safe by default. So it's all about different characteristics of array list. These characteristics make array list a versatile and commonly used data structure in Java. Array list is suitable for a wide range of applications where dynamic array-like behavior is required. Let's move forward and discuss how to declare any data structure in Java collection framework. Data structure include maybe array list, vector stack, and so on. So here is the official way how to declare any data structure in Java collection framework. So first we have Java structure declaration and initialization here. So firstly, we have data structure type. Maybe it's array list, maybe list, and so on. Then we have data type. Then we have data type in the angular bracket. Then we have data structure variable name. Then equal to sign and new keyword is used here. Then your data structure type followed by angular bracket and simple bracket. And with the help of different methods, you can manipulate any data structure. So here is the method. Firstly, we have data structure variable dot method name and so on. So with the help of this declaration syntax, you can declare any data structure and manipulate data structure in Java collection framework. Let's create array list data structure with the help of this syntax. So here is the array list declaration with the help of default syntax. So here first we have data structure name array list, then we have data structure type, then we have data type, then we have data structure data type that is integer, let's say. Then we have variable name that is array list equal to sign, then new keyword, then data structure name again that is array list, then angular bracket and method sign. Now if you want to add any elements into the array list, so you can add with the help of this syntax. So firstly we have array list, that is our array list variable name, then method that is for let's say add method, and here element is 10 to add into this particular array list. So with the help of this syntax, you can declare any data structure, any interface, any class in the Java collection framework. So it's all about array list and their declaration. Let's discuss the code of array list. So here's the code of array list. Firstly, we have our package name that is unit4 underscore CTL. Then we start by importing the array list class, that is with the help of java.util package, that is java.util.arraylist. Next we have our array list example public class and main method are included in it. Then we have to declare our array list. Then we have to create our array list and declare our array list, we can say that. So here with the help of same syntax as I already discussed with you, we can create an array list to hold string elements. Here data type is a string and our array list variable name is fruits. Now let's try to add some elements in the array list. So with the help of add method, we can add different elements in the array list. First we have variable name that is fruits dot add method, and in the bracket with commas our element that is apple, then banana, then orange, then grapes. Next we have to just try the print. Now we have to just try to print the initial array list with the help of system.out.println method. So we can print any array list with the help of just system.out.println method. Then if you want to access any elements from the array list, so you can use get method, as I already discussed with you, like this. Firstly, we have type of our array list, that is a string. Then let's say here element name is first fruit equal to fruits, that is our array list data type, then get method, and here is the index. Then just we have to print with the help of system.out.println our first value name, that is specified at 0 index. Next we have, if you want to update any elements in the array list, so you can update with the help of set method, like this, to.set, and in the bracket index value, and then comma, and in commas elements name, and just print out it. Next, if you want to remove any element in the list, so we can use dot remove method, like this, and then just print out this particular list. Then if you want to check an element is exists in the array list or not, so we can check with the help of contains method, like this. Here contains method returns the output in the boolean form, that is true or false. So here we are using boolean data structure, boolean data type. Then method contains, let's say grapes equal to fruits dot contains, and in the bracket grapes. Then just to print out this with the help of system dot out dot println. Next, if you want to get the size of the array list, so you can use the size method and just print the list. So next, if you want to iterate the array list, so you can do it with the help of just for loop and just print out it. And at last, if you want to clear all the elements from the array list, so you can do it with the help of dot clear method. In this way, you can create simple program of array list using Java collection framework. So now it's time to run the code. So here's the run button, and you can press Shift plus F10 also to run the code. So here is the output of our code. Firstly, our initial array list contain apple, banana, orange, and grapes, as I added here. That is fruits dot add or apple, banana, orange, and grapes. Next, we have our first fruit, that is apple. Then array list after updation, that is apple, blueberry, orange, and grapes. Here is the code of that. Here is the code of that particular output. With the help of set method, we can update any list. So here is the updated output. It contains apple, blueberry, orange, and grapes, and it doesn't contain banana. Next, we have array list after removal, orange. So here is the updated array list that contain apple, blueberry, and grapes. Now, contain grapes is true or false. So here our array list is contains grapes is true. So here it returns true. Next, we have size of array list, that is 3, 1, 2, and 3. Next, iterating using for loop, that is apple, blueberry, and grapes. Available elements in the array list are iterated successfully. And next and last, that is array list after clearing. So here no elements are included in this particular array list. So it's all about the output of our code and array list. These are the references used to design this lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss linked list and vector in the Java collection framework in detail. Here's the disclaimer. Thank you for your patient listening.